Hello student, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is Introduction to Animate CC, Chapter 7, Classics in Computer Subjects. First of all, I will solve some question in book. Let's begin. Now, which of the following is the extension of Animate documents? Answer FLA. 2. The timeline is a panel at the answer bottom. Answer is bottom. 3. Which of the following tools is used to draw freehand lines and shapes? Answer is pencil. Fill in the blanks using the words given below. First, Adobe Animate can be used for creating HTML5 based applications. Second, Animate creates a new stage canvas documents. 3. Videos, graphics, buttons and all other elements can be organized on the animation. 4. The lasso tool selects objects or part of the objects by dragging a free-form selection marquee. 5. The ink bottle tool applies color, thickness and styles to lines. Application based questions. Shalini is working on Animate CC. She wants to place some objects on the documents but does not want them to appear in the finished movie. Where can she place the objects for this? Answer. This can be done by creating a new layer specifically for these objects and then adjusting the layer properties to hide it ड्यूरिंग. उसके बाद यहाँ पे है स्टूडेंट, कंफ्यूज नहीं करना. ओके, यहाँ से लेके आपका सेंटेंस यहाँ पे ख़त्म होता है. उसके बाद यहाँ पे जगह नहीं था तो ऊपर मैं लिख दी हूँ हाइड इट ड्यूरिंग द एक्सपोर्ट ऑफ द मूवीज. एक्सपोर्ट ऑफ द मूवीज. ओके स्टूडेंट. 2. Vaishali wants to see the features of the tool she has selected. Which section of the Animate CC interface can show her the required features? Answer. This panel displays the options and settings for the currently selected tool. Solve the crossword using the given clues. First, welcome. Okay student, first में क्या है? Welcome. सेकेंड में पोस्ट बोर्ड. थर्ड में टूल्स पैनल. 4 में फाइल टाइम लाइन. 6 अडोब. okay student, look at the picture. If you have any confusion, please look at the picture and solve your question. Okay, after that I will solve. Okay student, after that I will solve periodic assignment 3. A. Look at the images of the following apps and write the tabs of these apps. Gallery apps, shopping apps, email apps. Okay student. B. Write the category of the following apps: grocery apps, storage apps, streaming apps. C. Label the components of the Animate CC window. First, menu bar, tools bar, stage, panels. Okay student. नीचे टाइमलाइन, प्रॉपर्टीज पैनल. ओके, इसके बाद मैं सॉल्व करती हूँ. आई विल सॉल्व क्वेश्चन आंसर चैप्टर 7 का सॉर्ट short answer type question and long question answer in notebook. Okay, I have done some question in book. After that, C and D chapter of 7 in notebook. Short answer type question. Introduction to Animate CC short answer type question chapter 7. First, state to use a properties panel. Answer: it is also called property inspector. This panel displays the different properties of the object which is selected. We can edit the properties of the selected object by changing the setting of the objects from the property inspector. What is gradient fill? Answer: gradient fill is the color fill that gradually transitions from one color to another, creating a smooth blend of color. 3. What are the different types of symbols that can be created in Animate CC? Movie clip symbols used for creating reusable animation sequences. Bottom symbols used for creating interactive buttons. Graphic symbols used for static images and reusable graphics. D. Long answer type question. What are the following tools used for selections? Selection tools are designed to select regions from the active layer so you can work on them without affecting the unselected areas. 2. Pen. The pen tool is a simple selections features that enables you to fill, stroke or make selections from whatever you do. Third, free transform tool allows you to rotate, scale, resize, reflect, mirror image, share, slant or distort an object. 2. After drawing on an object on the stage, what steps need to be taken to convert it into a symbol? Select the objects. Use the selection tools to select the object that you want to convert into a symbol. Second, convert to symbol. Go to the modify menu and then select convert to symbol. Alternatively, you can right click on the selected objects and choose convert to symbols from the context menu. Symbol properties. In the convert to symbol dialog box, you and then these pictures. Okay, click OK. Once you have set the properties, click the OK button to convert the selected objects into a symbol. Symbol intents the selected object is now replaced by the symbol intents. You can find your symbols in the library panel where you can drag and drop multiple instances of it into the stage. Okay student, I have done all question in this lesson. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Okay student, Allah Hafiz, bye.